Hi, welcome back to Orlando Experience. So today we are at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay again today. It is currently January 30th, 2024. We're just here to have a general good time today. I know they started Mardi Gras stuff, but I do believe it's only on the weekends, so we're not going to get to see any of that today. In general, we're just here to come around, hang out. We're going to try to get on some coasters, I think, today, as much as we can. I'll try to put on ride videos of all the coasters we get on today, too. So otherwise, we're already in the park, and we'll start walking around. So Mardi Gras did start back on the 13th. It's going until March 3rd. It is only on the weekends, Friday through Sunday. So we're not going to get to see it today because today is a Tuesday. But they do already have all the decorations, or they still have all the decorations up, obviously, during the weekday. So they do have some musical acts here on the weekends during the Mardi Gras time. And here's the stage area where they have some of the music acts. I don't think it's the big ones, but they do have some over here. So there's a look at the Mardi Gras area this year. They definitely have added lots of decorations this year compared to last year. I think it might have been the year before, but I definitely enjoyed the atmosphere a little bit more back here. We might try to make it back here for Mardi Gras one time. Again, it's only on the weekends from Friday through Sunday. So we actually turned back around towards Iron Gwazi. Had a little bit of a delayed opening today, but it is functional now. So we'll get on with the on-ride POV. Alright, so we just got off Iron Gwazi. We really love Iron Gwazi. It's really a toss-up for best coaster in Florida, I think, between this and Velocicoaster. I think I like Velocicoaster more for an overall experience, but I think this is actually a better coaster. So if you're more of a fan of the actual coaster part, I do actually like this more. But right now, I think we're heading towards the gorilla walkthrough. That's like animals and obviously gorillas. Then we're gonna go check out Cobra's Curse, see how long it is. It says on the app it's an hour, but it's not that busy today, so we're hoping it's not. So we're gonna head in that general direction.
Yeti!
So unfortunately it looks like not a whole lot of the reserve back there is open. We did get to see the chimpanzees though. Otherwise we are heading towards Cheetah Hunt area. Cheetah Hunt is closed currently. I don't know if it'll be up later in the day. If it is, we will make sure to get on it. But otherwise we're heading towards Cobra's Curse. So yep, Cheetah Hunt's closed right now. The signs does say they're working to try to get it back up. Hopefully it will be up before the end of the day, because that is one of our favorites here. Otherwise, we're going to head back to Cobra's Curse, check out the line. If it's too long, we're not going to get on it right now, but if it's not too bad, I'll hop on. So it does say it's only 10 minutes right now, so we're going to go hop on Cobra's Curse.
Cobra's Curse.
So we just got off Cobra's Curse. I think this is by a long shot the best themed coaster SeaWorld or Busch Gardens have ever built, at least here in Florida. It has a fantastic queue line with some projections on a wall that tell the story of the entire attraction. It also just has a cool themed queue line, all to like an excavation site, not too far away from Mummy at Universal. And then the actual ride has a lot of onboard audio, as you heard. It's overall just a fantastic ride. So right now we're walking past a few of the animal enclosures along the edge of Cobra's Curse. Not really sure where we're heading yet, we're just walking along.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's home to Oasis Pizza, and for everyone over the age of 21, the Giraffe Bar. The 80-foot tall venomous, known as the Snake King. He'll watch you as you go by, then turn you around backwards, then spin you round and around. Cobra's Curse is considered a family-friendly coaster, miles per hour, and 55 down 7 times. Montu has been ranked in the top 10 of all inverted coasters as being one of the tallest, the fastest, and the largest number of inversions.
That truck represents that our zoo staff is out here working very hard to ensure the safety of our animals. Busch Gardens is rated the top zoological, in fact, be found just alongside of his mommy. Also on the same side, folks, we have the dark, deep brown animals. Those are our sable antelope. Considered a sign of wealth. And we'll be seeing her just as soon for those here at the train, as soon as we pass the Sky Ride. She'll be right here, nice and beautiful in this enclosure, where she likes to stay all day and breathe, I guess. There she is, right over there by the back of the fence. A lot of the times you can see her pocket their skin, which helps protect them against insect bites.
So I forgot to mention beforehand, but we did hop on the train there to go see some of the construction for the new coaster over where the mouse coaster used to be. That's where it's getting built. We'll talk about more of it when we get over there. We are walking over there right now to get a little more footage. It's a nice train ride. It's a little squeaky, but it's very nice to be able to go through that whole area. So right now we are heading towards that construction area to go talk more about that. So this is going to be Phoenix Rising. It's a new B&M inverted family coaster. It's going to be pretty small, I think. It's going to be probably fairly similar to Dragonfly over at Dollywood. So it's going to be a good family coaster, definitely a good starting coaster. Glad to see another inverted coaster. We'll see how well the operation is, because it is just a one train coaster, so I could definitely see during the summer, so it's being quite busy though over here. But otherwise, we're going to start heading towards the front of the park. I think we might get on Serengeti, maybe Cheetah Hunt if it opens. So we're over here at Serengeti Flyers. I'll take you guys on.
Platform are clear, starting right. And that's when I get out and do a backflip.
I thought it was like right here. You're gonna find it, watch. It might be broken. It's not even my vape. I'm holding it for somebody. I saw it like floating in the air. You got it in your pocket? It fell right out. I guess I might have, I didn't tuck it.
So I just got off Serengeti Flyers. I really do love that ride. My only complaint is I think the restraints sit a little high up on my stomach that I would like, but otherwise I think it's fantastic. It's one of my favorite flat rides I've been on. I'm not usually a big swinging kind of person, but I love that one. It's just, it gives you such a perfect feeling of like floating when you're up at the top and stuff. So we're heading over to Cheetah Hunt. We're gonna see how long it is. If it's too long, we're not gonna do it today, but if it's not too bad, we'll get on it. Otherwise, after that, we're done. So Cheetah Hunt ended up being over half an hour, and we don't really want to wait. We want to get going. So we're gonna actually head towards the front of the park. I'm gonna get a treat real quick, and then we're gonna head out for the day. Alright, so that's it from here at Busch Gardens from us. Very excited for the new coaster to come. I think it will be a great addition for that area. A great new kids ride too, for the little ones to be able to ride with the big kids and stuff like that. I really like this park. I think it's really pretty. I'm really glad we got to come and ride plenty of rides today. I really love coming on days like this that are just so slow and you can really just walk on whatever you like. So whenever you want, you just kind of walk into the ride you want and just ride it real quick. But otherwise, that's it from us today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.